Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to log in to your Rithmic account. And I just created Rithmic and I found it a little bit difficult how to log in to your Rithmic account. So the first step that we need to do is go right into free trial and make sure that you create yourselves a nice account right here. Fill in all the details, and then after that what you need to do is verify your account in your email. And then after that we go to step 2 where we download right here the Trader Pro, and then we click on download for Windows. You can also click here free trial for new Rithmic users, but I recommend you to click on download. And then you will see right here this login page. So this is our user ID and here's our password. And before starting login with this, you need to select right here Rithmic paper trading. Fill in right here your email address. There we go. And then fill in right here your password. There we go again. And now we do login. And then he's loading, and then you will see this screen right here. And this is the basic, and from here we can start trading. So now we are in here in our Rithmic platform, and this is exactly what you need to know to log in with your Rithmic account. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. From here you can start trading and can do all the stuff that you want to do. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.